No, it was a good mix. It was a good laugh, that one. No, we had a lot of fun with that.
Don't have some extra circuit, wouldn't it, around here?
It would be. We've been invited, but we've declined them all.
I know.
Yeah, it's just too fragile. We can't move it. It's not designed to move.
How do you manage to bring it here then?
In pieces.
In pieces, eh?
But the dinosaurs is really good there.
Yeah. What's that toy-way?
No?
Were they toy-way dinosaurs?
I don't think
they were.
I'm not sure they were doing just. I don't know.
Yes, there we go. Yeah, you're welcome to come in. Yeah, it's not just because we're hogging all the space.
No, excellent.
I have to say, Cal, your numbering was good on that, man. Your numbering was great on that.
I'm very pleased with that. It does look good.
I can't wait to see whatever you're going to do with this stuff.
Yeah.
That's great. Yeah, sound makes such a difference.
It does, but I can't help thinking if you had 6 locos running all the sound, it just...
Yeah.
Well, we'll find out in a second. We'll find out in a second.
Alright.
Where's the sound coming from? Not the logo.
It is, yeah.
It is?
It is.
It's
It's in the bunker somewhere.
It's amazing. Did you fit that one yourself, Cal?
Yeah, so easy to fit that one.
Good job.
Yeah. Well, we're going downhill now, but...
So what does it do? Just go off at regular intervals?
No, I slowed it down so it closed the regulator.
No, I mean the sound. When does it go off?
A little bit
Oh,
jerky.
Oh, you're doing it.
Yeah, so I've got whistles. It's digital. Very nice.
Isn't that an American loco?
Yeah.
Ah.
Baldwins. Built by the Americans for the British during the First
God,
War.
how sad is that? I'm leaving.
It is what it is.
Who's right?
Yeah, I think he just used it there.
But you got to go to the bridge, though.
Yeah. What sound chip's that on, Cal? Southwest Digital. It's a J9050 something. Okay.
Is that a real loco?
Yeah. Ah. Is that joining that track? Is that bit of track again? Going to go over that lip this time. No. Right, I'll stop that one there. The wheels just won't grip because of the incline.
I keep saying to put some more oil in it, you've done this to me.
It's near the top already. The decoder won't allow it to go much faster. It's already at 70% volt. Yeah.
What you want is a nice big white metal WD 460.
Oh yes.
I mean, those backwind chassis are very good, but the only thing I'm not too sure about
That's the gun I was telling you about now. See the train up there with the troops that and this young fella hand painted them all.
That's alright, yeah, just film it there and then. No,
I
yeah.
thought you'd have the soldiers on you.
No, definitely, no, we have them going around.
I like the little nurses over there.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah. You've done all this in 24 hours.
Yeah, we all did this 24 hours. It's amazing that we actually managed to do it in that time.
See the plane yet?
Yeah, that will be, I think, I don't know.
The thing is, what you need is the battery to run down a bit so it doesn't wears around so fast.
I was whizzing around, yeah. That's a speedy bus, that one. Yeah. There's nothing else on the road, is there? You know?
Challenge are all professional modelling clubs. They've all got big vans. They all know how to handle a big layout. We don't. And that's what, at the end of the day, it all falls down to.
I mean, a few years ago, Hornby brought out Grayer horses, and he was taking the key. He was saying, when James Burgess at Hornby opens, and ask him about the little horses.
You know, spent ages dremeling out the bloody hole for the wire.
I think this end, because I've got,
Yeah. So if you come around,
and that's still being built over there, isn't it? Sorry.
I'm thinking if I can't butcher a brand new model, do you know what I mean? I just can't bring myself to do it.
I know what you mean. No, I know what you mean.
So anyway, I'm thinking about
You're a gunner on the train, so the idea is to build a layout that's like a tunnel vision layout with scenery on both sides. So basically the train will roll through, but you can actually look around as if you're like the real armoured train, like scouting out, like Sainsbury's. Yeah, Sainsbury's one, there's a 2-hour limit on that one. But the one, but then again, the security, there aren't very many people there that would be bothered by it. And the main thing is obviously that one over there is the all day one, so one of those we've had to like bring the stuff over by carrying it all the way over. Yeah.
I just looked at the time, it's already ticked over 2 hours and thought, ooh, I wonder if I ran out of time.
Nah, you're alright. Yeah. I think it's getting a bit of grime on the wheels, which is not necessarily a bad thing in this case. But yeah. Which you know, you just have to make sure that you know, you've had a few little brief spells, you know, nothing special yet. I was expecting maybe it to be a bit busier. But there we go. Yeah, it's a free event, it's a shot.
But that was the first 2 days, and the last one we did all the filming for the results. It was 4 hours. Yeah. And basically we had a lot of trouble with filming anyway, because you had to, especially if you had a loud drill or something, you couldn't use it when you were filming. So it was very limited to what you could do.
I don't think you realise that, just watching the programme, do you?
Yeah. No, it doesn't give you a sense of what had to be done.
Yeah.
I think you're behind the scenes.
I mean, like the waiting list on that's like 3 years. Yeah, like your big shows like Peterborough. But like Peterborough and Doncaster, the show, I imagine the waiting list is a bit like Warney. Warney has like got like a 3 or 5 year wait. So to give you an idea, they're saying, you know, like someone like Peterborough going, yeah, would you be able to bring the layout? It's amazing, but then you have to say, yeah, about that. It's a shame. I mean, we just had Shepton come in there and ask for it as well.
Local, but I guess you've got to move it, haven't you?
Got to move it. There is maybe talk of trying to get it to Western, possibly. But Western keeps
It's price tag.
yeah, because it's a 1 day show. It's just down the road from us. It's for charity as well. But then again, looking at the layout now, it's getting at that thing right at the moment. It's been running all morning.
It's actually been a few months since we actually did the show, and I'm still surprised on how much we've actually accomplished during that time. Especially with the size it is. I mean, Callum's is near an eighth of the size of this, and it took you 9 months.
Yeah,
And this took us 24 hours.
I think I worked out about the Amions can fit on here 5 times, I think, because each board is 5 foot by 3.3. So you have at this.
Anyway, I'll leave you in peace then, Callum. Take care. Think on what I said.
Will do. Yeah, we'll have a little think of that.
Make some contact.
Will do.